Hi everyone, so I'm gonna show you the Picot method, which is a nice way to get a really nice ending. So let's do a single and then 3 chains. And a single back into the first chain. Skip 1 stitch and again do a single. Then the next piece, 3 chains, 1 single into the first chain. Then again, skip 1 stitch, chains, and a single. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like the result. Let me know what you think. Shoot a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Veronika, hug.